Let's eat some huge donuts. Creme brulee heart. The donut itself is good, but I'm actually not sure if I like the top or the filling. 5 out of 10. The biggest strawberry shortcake donut I have ever seen. You guys. The strawberries are actually so fresh and the whipped cream is perfect. I also love the cinnamon sugar donut. 8 out of 10. Nutella stuffed donut with powdered sugar on top. This is actually so heavy. There is so much Nutella in here. Now this is a filled donut. The Nutella is of course phenomenal, but the donut itself is pretty dry, so I'll give this a 7. Then I had to get one for the fall. This is their vegan chai donut. You can't tell that this is vegan. My only complaint is I want more chai flavor because it's so delicious. 7.5 out of 10. S'mores Big Pop-A-Tart. Apparently there's a whole Pop-Tart in here. This one's super chocolatey. I wish there was more marshmallow and graham cracker to it, but it's cool and it's unique, so we'll give this one an 8. I saved the most basic one for last. This is the Homer Simpson donut. I hate to say it, but this one is so good. The strawberry glaze is phenomenal. I love strawberry glaze. Sometimes basic is the way to go. We'll give this one a 9.
maple glaze with bacon. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and airy. S'mores. Details on this. It's so fluffy. Cookies and cream croissant donut. Filling. So good. Taro. This is phenomenal. Tiramisu. This one just makes me smile. Make sure you guys check them out. These donuts were absolutely amazing. Bye guys.
We went to Voodoo Donuts, strawberry Pop-Tart.
Oh yeah, strawberry, yeah. Jelly filled.
Grape ape. Definitely tastes grapey. This is like a vanilla frosting. Had to get one of their Voodoo donuts.
Cleanse my palate.
Captain Crunch. This is called the blunt or the maple blunt or something. I think there's cinnamon on this. The dirt. There's Oreo. Bacon maple bar. Oh yeah, babe, you're gonna love this one. Marshall Mathers. The Homer. This is really nice. Strawberry frosting. The Portland cream. I'm used to a Boston cream pie.
Let's find out.
Okay.
I bet
It looks like Boston.
it's Boston cream. It's not.
So good. Oh my god, these donuts are so good. Honestly. Yeah.
How was it?
These are so good. Have some.
You give me a raspberry?
Yeah, of
course we did.
Let's eat donuts. Up first, we have the panda bear. This should be filled. That frosting is so good. Peanut butter pocket. What does that do? She's tucked right there. Every donut place uses normal peanut butter and not like a peanut butter frosting. That's got to be changed. Spooky Pebbles Cronut. So many layers. I just wish there was more frosting. Strawberry shortcake. This one's definitely the best one. Extra crispy apple fritter. Some apple chunks in there. Synonym crumbs, synonym roll. Overall, I'd give these a 6.5.
Oh, these have to be the biggest donuts. This one has an entire Pop-Tart in it. I'll gladly try them again though. First we tried this one. Look at that filling. This was their s'mores. This is the best donut I've ever had. This was a creme brulee heart. Now it's broken. It's so weird. The sugar coating is kind of bitter. I do like the vanilla cream in it. Give it like a 5 out of 10. These were so pretty before. This was the strawberries and cream. I love that it has fresh strawberry. The whipped cream is light and really nice. Next we have the maple bake. I've always wanted to try one of these. That one's chewy. The maple with the bacon is actually a really good combo. Let me take a moment. This is their salted caramel. Oh yeah. That one's really good. I love that caramel glaze. I asked her to pick one for me. She gave me this triple chocolate one. Let's give it a try. That's a cake dough. If you like chocolate, you'll love that one. The damage. These are a little pricey, but they're huge. I think they're definitely worth it.